Namaste students. I hope you all are safe. My name is Shweta, your maths teacher. See, in your previous class we started chapter 3, that is a trip to Bhopal. Let us continue that chapter only. Shankar, this painting also have very big bisons. Hey, I got in an idea. I will count the bisons and you count the deer in the painting. See, in this picture you can look that this is one of the painting. In that painting what they are painted means they are painted of animals. See, bisons, it is one type of the animal, and number of deers they are painting. So Bonomala told, I will count people. Let us see which are the most bisons, deer or people. Peoples, here you can see here 34, 35, 36, 37. So like that they are counting. So there are 37 bisons are there. 112, 103, 104, 13, 114. I got 117 days A. See, Bonamala and Shankar both they are counting number of bisons and number of deers, peoples, everything they are counting. How many more deers are there than bison? See, bison and deer counting they are given. So bison, the Shankar counted the bisons are 37, and number of deer, there are 117 deer are there. How many more deer are there than bison? You have to find. Here you know that bison is 37 and deer is 117. So more, how many more number of deer? Here deer is the more. So more number of deer are there than bison. Bison is the small number. So you, what you have to do? You have to subtract here. Number of deer is 117. Number of bisons is 37. So number of deer more than bison is equal to, you have to subtract number of deer minus number of bison. That is 117 minus 37. So that is 80. So there are how many more deers? How many more number of bisons are deers are there? See, there are 80 more deer than bison. Okay. To Bhimbetka. After the buses are refilled, the journey starts again. Now the children are told that they are stopping at Bhimbetka. See, in the to Bhimbetka. After the buses are refilled, the journey starts again. Now the children are told that they are stopping at Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka is one of the place. It is one of the wonderful place in Bhopal. See here, see that painting, the above slide painting I showed, no, that painting only here you can observe. And here it is a Bhimbetka, the cave in that Bhimbetka. So very beautiful cave is there. You can see so many places. See this and all places in Bhimbetka. So Anjan, what is Bhimbetka? Mr. Raina, Miss Raina. See, Miss Raina means she is a teacher. It's a place which lots of caves and cave paintings made by people 10,000 years ago. See, Bhimbetka, it is one of the place. Here, teacher is telling here lots of caves are there. See, so many pictures also I have shown here. I have collected the picture and I have shown. I am showing here. See here, second picture is that is one type of the cave, and third picture is, see, so many caves are there in the Bhimbetka, and cave paintings also is there. See, in the first picture, cave paintings are there. So these are all made 1,000 years ago, very long back, 1,000 years ago they painted, and these caves are they made. Sumonto 10,000. See, they are shocking. 10,000 years. I cannot even think of that 1,000 year back. See, 1,000 year back only, so much of long back. They are telling it is a 10,000 year back. Bhimbetka is that painting and all they did. So that's why that Sumoto is very shocking. Gopi, oh, 1,000 year is a big thing. I can't even think of 100 years. Right? See, 100 is less compared to 1,000. See, here Gopi is telling I can't even think 100 years only, but here they are telling 1000 years means that is too much big. Like that, 10,000 years means that is very much big. Gauri, I can think of 100 years because my father grandmother is 100-year old. See, 100 years means we can hear that, because any of your family also, the grandmother or grandfather, the fourth generation or fourth generation peoples, they are still alive means you can check their ages. They are above 100. So like that, she is telling, I can think of 100 years because my father's grandmother, see, is 100 years old. Manjit, that means those caves are almost 100 great grandmothers. Okay, hold. Oh, how they are, imagine, see. Everybody burst into laughter. Ha ha ha. Because he told one joke, no? Almost 100 great grandmothers old. See, now the children are really excited to see the cave paintings. It is about 11 o'clock when they reach Bhimbetka. See, they reached Bhimbetka at 11 o'clock. You have to remember the timings. Wow, even 10,000 years ago, people made such a lovely painting, the two on rocks. See, in a rocks they made it as painting. If the painting, if you see means, see how painter imagination, how painter will did the painting means, very nice, very nice paintings are there. Once if you get a chance painting, you observe deeply, there is one message in the painting. So like that only here also, see, paintings are 10,000 years ago, on that time only they are painting very nicely. That too in the rock they are painting, imagine that. Oh, these rocks are thousand of years old. These rocks are thousand of years old because it is, that painting is 10,000 years means it is these rocks are thousand or thousand of years old, she's telling. But Bonomala is the happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deers and bisons together. Our count is less than 200. See, Bonamala is happy because number of people is even more than the number of deer and bison together. Here count is less than 200. Right? They both they count it is less than 200. How many peoples must Bonamala have counted? 214, 154, 134 or 177. Let us see. Total number of animals is 27. So totally if you had both, 7 plus 7 is 14, 4, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 1. So 154 total number of animals are there. Number of people given in less than 200. See, 154 here, people, number of people give is less than 200. So number of people must be greater than 154 but less than 200. Here, see, Bonamala, she told, even more than the number of deers and people is more than the number of deers and number of bisons, but less than the 200. See, here total number of animals is, bison and deers are animals, so total number of animals is 154. So the peoples are more than 154 and less than 200. So she told like that number of people must be greater than 154 or but less than 200, in between that. So Bonamala must have counted 177 peoples because more than 154, less than 200 means here this number is 177 only. If you take 134, it is less than 154. If you take 154, it is exactly 154. This is also not. If you take 214, it is more than 200. So the number is 177 people are there. They have spent 1 hour there. What time is it? See, they reached Bhimbetka at 11 o'clock. And 1 hour they spend there only. If you have 11 o'clock plus 1 hour, what is the time? That is 12 o'clock. So therefore they spend 12 it is time is 12 o'clock. The guide tells them that there are 600 cave paintings in all. It is time to leave Bhimbetka. See, so much is there paintings. There are 600 cave paintings are there in Bhimbetka. The guides, see, if you go to any of the tourist places, there separately guides are there. So they are all telling about that history. For example, if you go to Belur and Halebeedu, there also guides are there. They will tell about the history. Please, if you go there, you listen that so nicely. You can by seeing, and they are explaining no so nicely. You can imagine, and you will be remember at long time. They have spent 1 hour there. What time it is it? See, they have spent 1 hour there because Bhimbetka is 11 o'clock. They have spent 1 hour there only means it is time is 12 o'clock. There are now moving towards Bhopal. They should reach there in less than 1 hour at about dash o'clock. See, they are moving towards Bhopal. They want to reach Bhopal. So they should reach there in less than 1 hour. From Bhimbetka to Bhopal, it is less than 1 hour. What is the time? They are asking. They have spent 1 hour there. What time is it? Means since it is given that they reach Bhimbetka at 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock plus 1 hour is 12 o'clock. Therefore, 12 o'clock they reach. Lunch time. The children are hurry by this time, so they take out their lunch packs. See, it is a lunch time. The children are hungry, so much of hungry by this time, so they take out their lunch packs, biscuits, oranges, bananas. They carried from their home. There are some of the few of them they carried biscuits, few of them they carried fruits that are like oranges, bananas, and also distributed in all the buses. See, they are bought from their homes. They are sharing and they are eating. Each child is to be given one orange and one banana and five biscuits. Each children's they have got one orange, one banana, and five biscuits. All the children take oranges and biscuits, but 38 children do not take banana. See here they given clue. All the children they take orange and biscuits, but 38 children in that bus, only 38 children do not take the banana. So how many oranges, biscuits, and bananas are distributed? You have to count. See, each child is to be given one orange, one banana, and five children. In that, 38 children they are not take banana. That is one banana they are not take. So totally 38 bananas is left. Let us see total number of students going to trip. There are total number of students is 210. Each student was given one orange, one banana, and five biscuits. So total number of orange distributed to 210. First we will find the oranges and biscuits. So 210, that is 210 children got one oranges, because there are 210 children, only one oranges they are giving. So 210 oranges is there. Now 38 students refuse to take banana. 38 children they are not taken banana. Then total number of students who took banana is, what you have to do? Total number minus subtraction you have to do 38, because 38 they are not taken banana. So 210 minus 38, you will get 172. There are 172 children they are not took banana. Sorry, they took banana. Therefore, total number of banana distributed to 210 equals 210 into 5. Sorry, this is biscuit. Change it as biscuit. Total number of biscuits distributed to 210, because 5 biscuits they are distributing. That is 1050. If you multiply, so that is 1050. 210 oranges, 172 bananas, and 1050 biscuits were distributed among all. So students going to trip. Manjit and Banu quickly finish their lunch and start asking puzzle to pass the time. Manjit, tell me that number which is exactly between 100 and 150. See, Manjit and Banu, they finished their lunch at fastly, and they are playing by with puzzles. So Manjit is asking, tell me the number which is exactly between 100 and 150. In between 100 and 150, which number is there? Banu, 120. No. 130. No. It is 125. See here, 100, 100 and 125 and 50, 25 25 numbers they are adding and they are telling. So Manjit, right, okay, you ask now. Other children join in. Everyone is asking puzzle questions, so like that puzzles they are asking and they are finding. Tell me the number which is exactly between 100 and 150. That is 125, the number which is exactly between 100 and 150. I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends, and 3 toffees are left with me. How many toffees did I have? Let us see this question. For answer, given number of toffees given, there are, see, he gave the number of toffees for 4 friends. So totally one toffee he gave. So 4 number of toffees left with me means left with him. How many number of toffees left with him? There are 3 number of toffees left with him. In the question only they given. Total number of toffees equals number of toffee I gave to my friend, means number of toffees he gave to his friend is 4. There are 4 friends each distributed, plus number of toffees left with him with me. So 4 plus 3. That is, see, because 4 friends, so 4 toffees, 4 friends, 4 toffees he given. So 4 multiply with 4, you have to find 4 4 the 16, 16 plus 3, that is 19. There are 19 toffees left with him. There are 9, total number of toffees are 19. Therefore total number of toffees I gave is 19 toffees. What number can you make using 3, 5 and 7? You can make 357 and 537. What others? So 375, 573, 735 and 753 are the numbers. A number become double if it is increased by 8. What is it number? See, double means you have to add 2 times. 8 plus 8 equals 16. So, or you can multiply 2 to the given number. 2 8s are 16 only. Number will be 8. Homework. See this and